Are you getting no views on your videos? This is the reason why. Your thumbnails and your titles are not winning the clicks, so nobody's considering watching your videos. This is how you make your titles and thumbnails more clickable so you get more views. First way is to make your titles curiosity or FOMO, which means fear of missing out. If you do that, then you'll focus motion in the viewer's mind that makes them want to watch the video. And your thumbnail can further tell the story of the title without telling too much of the story. And you can title and thumbnail go together, that's why. And once you do that, you can get more connects. And let me tell you an example. My previous video was titled, "This mistake is holding back your channel." And the thumbnail had two screenshots in one. One had 4 views gained, and then the other screenshot had 1 subscriber gained. See, most new YouTubers have 4 views gained on their videos and 1 subscriber gained. And that's a pain point to the viewer, well, YouTubers in this case. So I hit on that pain point to make them click on the video. Or see that video now on the screen. Go ahead and watch that, and I'll see you there. Bye, y'all.